Hi and welcome to the 9th episode. In it, I will show my organized tool storage solution. I'm using a laser for alignment, temporarily fixing the pine board to the stud, double checking that the base is leveled, finding and marking the studs, pre-drilling and fixing the bottom board with screws. Marking and cutting the next board. Some boards are not straight, so I fix them in place before temporarily nailing them to the wall. Marking the locations of the screws to have same equal distance between them. Pre-drilling to prevent the board or stud from splitting. Here's a close-up. Each board has 2 screws every 16-inch driven to the studs. Finally, I applied 1 coat of dark walnut Danish oil. If you do it on your own, use any screw length. Just be careful not to drive too deep, as it can go out of the exterior wall. From this point, I used my imagination to fulfill my tool storage needs. I decided to change the upper storage part, and for the cable management, I added a small floating shelf like this. Time taken, around 2 days. Price for the materials, around $150. Price for tools I've used for this build, not the entire set on the wall, with materials, around $1100. Thanks for watching.